project is designed to automatically monitor PPE compliances, which is nothing but the personal protective equipments and hand hygiene in hospitals using just one camera. We developed this project by using artificial intelligence and CV, which is nothing but computer vision, to check if the healthcare staff are wearing their protective equipments correctly and whether they are sanitizing their hands before entering and leaving the wards in order to control the infections transformed from patient to doctor and doctor to patient. In this project, we mainly developed two models which performs two tasks. One is hygiene PPE detector, which detects whether the person wear masks or not, gloves or not, gowns, facial shields wear or not. In this, we didn't use public dataset because we didn't uh, because there are currently no public dataset contains the required features we used in it. In order to create dataset, we didn't have much time to gather the data and create a dataset to train the model. That's why I used a pre-trained model, YOLO. It is already trained that to detect whether the mask, gloves, gowns and face shield are on or off. This is the code. In this, we detect on or off by using PPE detector. It in this point of code contains loads the model and then it checks whether the by using some parameters whether the mask is on or off, gloves on or off, other. This is the code for PPE detector. And another task is hygiene action. In the in this we use media pipe hand, which detects hand which detects the hand movements, whether while using sanitizer, whether the person is stand like an idle or whether he disperse the sanitizer and rub the hands and use it in the correct way. By using this media pipe hand, we detect whether the person uses sanitizer in a proper way or sanitize in a proper way or not. If the person stand like an idle and didn't do anything, it shows idle and wait for 6 seconds and then it shows no sanitizing. If the person is sanitizing for 6 to 8 seconds, then it detects in a correct proper way by using some motions. It detects it is sanitized. The person is sanitized or not by using this hygiene action model. In this we use hygiene FSM model also to detect the motions of the hand. In this, if we stand idle for some time, then it shows not sanitized. If we disperse and rub for some time, then it means we sanitized. And it shows us on the screen. Next comes to the guardian.py. In this code, we combine the both models, hygiene action and PPE detector together to combine these two features in a single camera. By using single camera, in the left panel, it shows whether we sanitize properly or not, sanitized or not. In the right panel, it shows whether the mask on or off, gloves, face shields and gowns on or off in the right panel. By using by combining hygiene action and PPE detect together in a single camera, we write the guardian.py code. Configure.yaml is nothing but the camera code for the camera, which detects both mask, PPE detectors and as well as the hygiene. By PPE detector and hygiene config, we we get the compliance score. Based on these two tasks or two models. By contributing, PPE contributes one part of the score and hygiene contributes another part of the score. For example, if all PPE are on and hand hygiene is completed, the score is closed as OK. If the any PP item is missing or hygiene is skipped, the score reduces and status changes to warm. And if the score PPE and hygiene both are low, then it block. Let us run the code and see the output. Of AI infection control guardian system which perform two tasks, PPE detector and hygiene infection by combining them in a single camera. In this, I didn't wear any mask, gloves, gowns, or face shield. That why it shows all are off in the right panel. And when it comes to I didn't show any motions of hand, then it is shows as idle. I will rub and disperse my hands and it shows sanitizing. I will rub my hands and for few seconds it shows sanitizer. And I stopped for few seconds. And then it stay for 6 seconds and then it show idle. If I idle, it is not sanitized. If I sanitize my hands for few seconds, it shows sanitizer. It detects whether I am sanitizing my hands in a proper way or not. This is the output of the AI infection control guardian system, which detects both hygiene actions of hands by whether person using sanitizer in a proper way or not, and the person wear PPE equipments properly or not. This is our project. Thank you.